Meron tayong Bureau of Immigration dito.
Good morning, Mr. Senator.
Accounted for na ho ba itong 30,000 na Chinese po working sa Pogo?
Various nationalities ho sila. After December 31, 2024, the Bureau of Immigration issued visa cancellation orders totaling to 12,106.
Cancellation na ito.
Apo,
Ang gusto ko po yung naipalabas na, na-deport na, napalayas na po.
Ang napailabas na ho natin, Mr. Senator, is a total of 3,024.
10% lang. Why?
Yun po, yun.
Why is that?
Yan po, Mr. Senator, are those that are apprehended or arrested in various operations by BI and or PAOK.
Okay, kaya nga, good. Thank you sa PAOK, sa NBI. Pero 10%, so ibig sabihin, meron pang gumagala-gala dyan o baka nag-operate pa illegally kung ano man yung operation nila. Meron tayong 27,000 foreign nationals na dati nag-work sa Pogo at hindi nyo na-account kung nasaan po sila.
Tuloy-tuloy po yung operation ho namin starting January. The first operation after since the start of the new year, Mr. Senator, is that 438 po yung na-apprehend namin. So,
thank you dun sa apprehension niya. Pero still, this is alarming. 10% pa lang ng 30,000. Ito yung mga registered lang, ha?
yes,
Hindi
sir.
pa kasama dito yung not registered, yung mga illegal.